Hello, welcome to your Understanding Action States tutorial video. In order to fully understand how actions work and how to use action combinations, you need to understand states. All images have state boxes next to them. It's these boxes you can see right here. Actions go inside of the state boxes. As you can see, I have 3 actions in there already. So basically, images live in states waiting for action triggers to tell them to perform a certain action. State boxes, the blue ones, start off from state 1, state 2, state 3, and they go up sequentially. And my red box has no number and is called a global state. This might all sound a bit complicated at the moment, but I'm going to use an example to show you how this all works. So I have an image right here on my canvas already. And I have first a jump action, then a waddle action, and then a rotate action. What I want to happen is for this one to happen first, second, and third. So to make that happen, what I need to do is go to my property editor while selecting the first action, and in the trigger settings, choose next state. If this is my state 1, I want it to go on to state 2, so I will choose state 2. I'll do the same for the second state. I will choose next state, state 3. And for my third state, I can either leave it on same state. That would mean that when I click once, it'll jump. Second time, it'll waddle. Third time, it'll rotate. And if I click a fourth time, it will continue to rotate. Or I can choose state 1, which would make the whole process start over again. So jump, waddle, rotate. So I'll leave it like that for now, and we can try it out using our web viewer so you can see exactly how this process of states would work. So we have to wait a couple of seconds for it to load, and now we're able to see how this works. So my first click should be a jump. There we go. Second click, waddle, and third click, rotate. If I click again, it'll jump. So now I go back to my builder, and now let's talk about this red box right here, which is called the global state. This will trigger whatever action is inside to happen, no matter what state the image is currently in. So even if it's currently in state 2, the global state will always happen. So this means if I set it to the same trigger, whenever I touch down, it'll either jump and do whatever is in this global state, waddle, or rotate. So let's say, for example, I use blink. So it's going to jump and blink, rotate and blink, and waddle and blink. Let's try it out. We wait a bit for my web viewer, and pretty soon we should be able to see how this works. There we go. So I click, it jumped and blinked. Now it did both things again. It waddled and blinked, and now it rotated and blinked. So let's try another example just to clarify exactly how the global state works. So I'm going to add another image into my canvas, and this time let's try a jump action, a move action, and let's say a flip action. So they're all set down to touchdown, so I'll do this one first, and I'll make it go to state 2. Then state 2, I will make it go to state 3. And state 3, I will make it go back to state 1. Let's say for my global state, I'm going to add a drag option. This means that if I touch down, my image will jump or move or flip. But if I decide to drag it around, I will always be able to do this no matter the state. So let me set my trigger for dragging to drag move. And now let's preview so you can see how this works. There we go. So upon first click, it jumps. Second click, moves. The third click, it flipped, again jumped, but I can always move it around. So this is because of my drag option. So I can leave it there, and now again it'll flip, it'll jump, it'll move, and I can always drag it around. So this is pretty much all you need to know for now about actions, and we hope this was helpful, and we invite you to check out our other tutorial videos or our web manual. Thank you for listening.